Mastering the art of easy curd rice preparation. Discover the simplicity of creating your very own curd rice at home. A staple in everyday cuisine, now easily made by you. First, we begin with cooking our rice. A foundational step, the quality and texture of your rice can make or break your dish. Next, we cool the rice. This ensures the rice can properly absorb the curd's flavor without becoming too sticky or mushy. Now, we add the curd. The heart of the dish, this creamy, tangy element adds depth and punch to a humbly cooked rice. Then comes the seasoning. A blend of mustard seeds, dry red chilies, and curry leaves, all stir-fried to release their aromatic oils. Finally, we mix it all together, combining all the elements to create a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. In the end, you get more than just a dish. You get a taste of tradition, comfort, and home, all in one spoonful.